Good morning, Afton. This is Mrs. Allen, the Director of College Career Readiness. Today we're going to talk about the A+ Schools program in advisory. Talk a little bit about how A+ came about, why you should be an A+ student, and how do you get there. You do not have to have a straight A's in order to be an A+ student. We'll talk about the requirements in a little bit. A+ started as part of the Missouri legislators called the Outstanding Schools Act. At that time, schools were given a letter grade, A, B, C, D, and the Missouri legislators and governor at the time wanted to make all Missouri schools the top of the list are A+, therefore the name A+. Why A+? A+ will pay for your first associate's degree at any state community college, State Technical College of Missouri, and partial tuition at Rankin Technical College. You have 4 years in which to use this. So let's say you plan on going to a university and something happens. You lose a scholarship, you decide it's not what you want to do, you change your mind. As long as you transfer to a Missouri State Community College, State Technical College, or Rankin, you have up to 4 years in order to use these funds. Also, there are numerous universities and colleges that offer a scholarship because you're an A+ student. Here's the requirements. First is the 2.5 unweighted cumulative GPA, which means you have to have a C+ average when you graduate Afton High School. Some of you may be taking honors classes or Project Lead the Way classes. That would make your weighted grade a little higher. A+ state law requires it be the unweighted. State law also requires that you have to have 95% cumulative attendance when you graduate from high school. If there are special circumstances, these can be appealed. Good citizenship, which we'll talk about in a little bit. You need to have math readiness, complete 50 hours of tutoring or mentoring, and complete the FAFSA. One question I often get is, how do I get my tutoring or mentoring hours? Most common ways is CATS Crew, tutoring during the summer school, tutoring after school. We have a lot of virtual tutoring going on right now, cadet teaching, but there's other ways. If you think that you're tutoring or helping a younger student as being a mentor in some way, just email me and I will let you know whether or not they can be approved. CATS Crew, summer school, tutoring, after school that is set up by me, and cadet teaching are all approved automatically. Otherwise, email me and I will let you know whether or not it will meet the criteria. Math readiness. You need to score advanced or proficient on the Algebra 1 or higher math course at the end of course exam, or have an ACT score of 17 in math if your GPA is a 2.5 or higher. If you have a 16 in math, your GPA has to be a 2.8 or higher. And if you score a 15 on the math section, you have to have a 3.0 or higher. Citizenship. The state law requires that no drugs or alcohol on or off campus from the time you start 9th grade to the time you graduate. Otherwise, you will lose your A+. Afton defines it even more, that you can have no more than 5 days in school and or out of school suspension through the 4 years of high school. How do you sign up? You have to sign up in order to become an A+ student. I have to have that form in order to start your process. Your parents can sign up on the parent portal of Tyler under eForms. You only have to sign up once, not every year. We started a new website called Afton Success Ready, and you can find out all about A+ and the A+ tutoring forum on that website. The website can also be found in your Canvas advisory class. If you go to your modules on your advisory class, and you will see where the arrow says Success Ready Resources for Students, you can click on that and it will take you right to the web page. And here's what the web page looks like. You can see we're going to have numerous other things on there as well, but right now the A+ program is in there. You click on A+, you can see the requirements, a link to the tutoring forum. You can also see what colleges offer A+ scholarships. We can talk about the tutoring, mentoring, and from time to time I will be posting opportunities for you there and how to use A+ at St. Louis Community College. If you have any other questions, please email me. I'm always here to help you and to be successful. I hope you all graduate with the A+ designation.